Speaker. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, I hope the audio is audible. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna
Prabhuji. Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dhamma Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So it is live, class is fixed, so let us start. Jai Radha Madhava.
Name.
Jai Radha Madhava. Vanachari Jayo Radha Madhava. Jana Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya. Naranchaiva Narottamam. Devim Saraswatim Vyasam. Tato Jayamudire. Nasha Praisha Bhadreshu. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati Uttama Shloke. Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtaki. Tato Gantasi Bhasthanam. Sarvaloka Namaskritam. Uparistar Rishibhyastvam. Yato navartate gataha. Tato gantasi masthanam. Sarvaloka Namaskritam. Uparistad Rishibhyastvam. Yato navartate gataha. Hare Krishna, all of you can start.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dhamma Pranam. Tato Gantasi Mastan. Tato Gantasi Matsthanam. Sarvaloka Namaskritam. Uprishtad उपृष्टात् ऋषिभ्यस्तं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्ता
स्थानं सर्वलोक नमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादृष्टिभ्यः सत्वं यतो न वर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोक नमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादिभिस्त्वं यतो नार्वर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादृशेभ्यस्त्वं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतम् उत्कृष्टादृष्टिः हेतो नावर्तते यतः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोक नमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादृशेभ्यस्त्वं यतो न वर्तते गतः। थैंक यू।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकानमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादृशिभ्यास्त्वं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। यतो गन्तास्ति मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतम् उपारिषद् ऋषिभ्यासत्वं यतो नावर्तते गतः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोक नमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादिष्टाभ्यास्तं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण। थैंक यू वेरी मच प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतम् उपरिष्ठादृशिभ्यस्त्वं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मन्तस्नां सर्वलोकानां संस्कृतम् उपरिष्टाद्रिभ्यस्तं यतो न वर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोक नमस्कृतम् उपरिष्टादृशभ्यस्त्वं यतो नावर्तते गतः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू सो मच।
पडल तुझ्या अंगावर बॅग. हरे कृष्णा. अंगावर पडल ना बॅग. लागल तुला मग.
हरे
Tataha, thereafter, Ganta Asi, you will go, Masthanam, to my abode, Sarvaloka, by all planetary systems, Namah Kritam, offered obeisances, Uparista, situated higher, Rishi Vyaha, then the planetary systems of the Rishis, from you, Yataha, wherefrom, Na, never, Avartate, will come back, Gataha, having gone there. The personality Godhead continued, my dear Dhruva, after your material life in this body, you will go to my planet, which is always offered obeisance to the residents of all of the planetary systems. It's situated above the planet of the seven rishis, and having gone there, you will never have to come back again to this material world. The personality Godhead continued, my dear Dhruva, after material life, in this body, you will go to my planet, which is always offered obeisances for the residents of all of the planetary systems. It is situated above the planet of seven rishis, and having gone there, you will never have to come back again to this material world. Hare Krishna, Supriti Mataji, you can start reading.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. In this verse, the word navartate is very significant. The Lord says, you will not come back to this material world, for you will reach Matsthanam, my abode. Therefore, Dhruva Loka, or the pole star, is the abode of Lord Vishnu within this material world. Upon it, there is an ocean of milk, and within that ocean, there is an island known as Shvetadipa. It is clearly indicated that this planet is situated above the 7 planetary systems of the Rishis, and because this planet is Vishnu Loka, it is worshipped by all other planetary systems. It may be questioned here, what will happen to the planet known as Dhruva Loka at the time of dissolution of this universe? The answer is simple. Dhruva Loka remains like other Vaikuntha Lokas beyond this universe. Srila Vishwanatha Chakravarti Thakur has commented in this section that the very word Navartate indicates that this planet is eternal. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gaudavani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Ashatadeshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Ato gantasi mastanam sarvaloka namaskritam uparistad rishibhyastvam tato navartate gataha. The personality Godhead continued, my dear Dhruva, after your material life in this body, you will go to my planet, which is always offered obeisance by the residents of all of the planetary system. It is situated above the planets of the 7 rishis, and having gone there, you will never have to come back again to this material world. So today's topic will be childish demands. Now we see here, to satisfy the desire of Dhruva Maharaj to have a planet greater. Krishna is fulfilled. And in the next verse we will see that even though the Lord went away to Vaikuntha after fulfilling his desires, Dhruva Maharaj was actually not happy. Kachan Vachinvam Api Divyarattam Swamim Kritartho Se Varam Nayache. Well, Lord, I demanded a piece of glass, but I got a diamond. Similarly, you see that all the great acharyas, they feel, the pastor Sanatana Goswami scolded Rupa Goswami. You take a service from Radha. You all know the pastor. So throughout we see the Bhagavatam, the pure bhakti, Shuddha bhakti is glorified, in which there is not even a single desire for personal gratification. Vishuddha sattva, sabdam vishuddham vasudeva sabdhitam. And at that Vishuddha sattva stage only the Lord manifests himself. Savara Jangama Dekanatara Murti, Sarvatva Ishtadev Sudhi. Wherever a devotee sees this, so he sees only the Lord. Bhayam Ditiya Anuveshita Shad. If he is seeing something not connected to the Lord, this is going to be only Maya. Even a slightest of opportunity, Maya will come. So the person is constantly packed, That's why we always recommend, keep a challenge in your day. Don't just sleep in the day. Don't waste the day. And keep your mind absorbed. Otherwise, some material desires will open up and you will start cultivating it. It will become big. And then you have to see so many births in this world. Unlike Dhruva Maharaj, I asked something better. Dhruva Maharaj's case is special because of the mercy of Narad Muni. That place is Vaikuntha Loka only. But still, he felt bad. I went to the Lord with some material demand. Yad gatvana nivartante tad dhama parama mama. So pure devotee, their heart is full of pure love of Krishna. Yad gatva na nivartante. They never come back to this world. They stay always eternally. All the problems are solved when you go back to the spiritual world. So a pure devotee is scared to develop a small material desire. It says a great calamity in the heart of a pure devotee or the heart of a devotee. Material desires and whole his personality changes. He becomes selfish, he becomes duplicitous, so many things. We see Arjuna had no desire. He allowed Krishna to give to Duryodhana all Akshani of soldiers, nothing. He just wanted Krishna with him. True, we can see that. Similarly, we see in Bhagavad Gita also, Arjuna was telling that in the beginning, Krishna, I'll not be happy if, my relatives are killed. But later, he sacrificed everything just for the pleasure of the Lord. His grandfather died, his guru died, his son died, so many did. For pleasure of Krishna, he executed the war. And he became glorious in the history. We see Parikshit Maharaj also in the last 7 days of his life in the Bhagavatam, just hears Bhagavatam with great pleasure, without any material desire. We see Queen Kunti again in the first canto, offering such prayers of pure devotion. My Lord, please cut my attachment to my Vrishni family and this Pandu family. Please cut my attachment. Sneha Pashamidam Chindi, cut off. Because all the silly attachments, I'm not able to properly pray to you. Just like Ganges flows to the ocean, same way, my heart, I want pure devotion to flow to your lotus feet. This offering is a beautiful prayer. We see in the first canto when Bhishma is offering such wonderful prayers to the Lord, that I just enjoy seeing that beautiful form of the Lord. Arjuna was not so fortunate, he was behind, he could not see. I could see the beautiful form of the Lord as he was going on the battlefield with dust and sweat on his face, protecting his pure devotee. So you see that actually when we hear about this pure devotion and when we come to this platform of pure devotion, you see these such a great examples we find. We see the Goswami, they were having such pleasures. Taktva Turna Mashesha, Mandalapati, they gave up everything. Mandalapati, they gave up everything. Just for pleasing Krishna, they gave everything. Gopi Nikanta Sutao. Srila Prabhupada also gave everything up. So, why is it so? They are exalted devotees. Satatam Kirtanto Mam Yatantascha Dhridavrataha. Dhridavrata. Bodhyastas Parasparam. They are relishing something else. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. They are drinking the pleasure of something else. Correct? Something, another platform. Aham sarvasya prabhu matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samamritaha. Madgata. Machita Madagata Prana Bodhayastas Parasparam. They put their heart on me. Bodhayastas Parasparam. They constantly talk about me. So they are taking so much. Machita Madagata Prana Bodhayastas Parasparam. Kathayantascha Mam Nityam. Always they talk about me. And Tushyanti Charamantisha. And they are taking great pleasure. Now, this is a platform of your devotees. You see, any canto, I just took some instances of the first canto. What is Shukdev Goswami when he's narrating Bhagavatam, enjoying? Why is he doing that? Without eating for 7 days. He's enjoying the pleasure of speaking Bhagavatam. And Parikshit Maharaj, the perfect hearer, taking the pleasure of hearing Bhagavatam. And they are drinking Madhuri Puri, a special pleasure, confidential pleasure. And they are relishing so much. Tushyanti Charaman. So throughout we see in the Bhagavatam, the pure devotion is glorified because pleases the Lord and bestows upon us unlimited spiritual bliss. That is the position of the exalted devotees. You see, Sudama came to meet Krishna but could not ask anything because pure devotee cannot ask anything. He finds it very strange. He has to ask something childish from the Lord. He will not do it. So this is the platform of exalted devotees. There are so many more examples where they give up material desires. These are the whole heroes of Bhagavatam. And they drink the pleasure of Krishna consciousness. But in the society we see people that another extreme are totally absorbed in material desires. Always making plans for material enjoyment. And they are addicted, even though they are not happy, even though Shamevi Kevalam, it's only a waste of labor, but they still do not stop. Durasha, they hope to become happy in material environment. And they make big plans, grand plans for material environment. And many a time, when you go for material enjoyment, the soft line of what is dharmic, what is adharmic is easily passed away. Nunam pramatta kuruvite vikarma yate indriya priti apano. When sense enjoyment becomes the goal of life, very soon the person does sinful activity. Nasadu manya sadatmanoyam asana kresha asureya. This is one platform. But we see the pure devotee, they are drinking the pleasure of Krishna consciousness, drinking. And there are sinful people who are involved in sense enjoyment, running here and there like animals for sense enjoyment. Now we had a fortune of meeting a pure devotee called Srila Prabhupada through his movement. And Guru Krishna Prasade by Bhakti Lata Bija, within our heart, by his mercy, the pleasure of serving Krishna has been awakened. But still it is not Jwalamukhi like a pure devotee. And in this stage, what happens is the material desires also coexist with our small desire to serve Krishna. So what do we do at this stage? Therefore, at this stage, because the taste is not awakened, we do something known as sadhana. We cannot say whatever comes to my mind is great, whatever I feel like doing, I do. No, that is not sadhaka. Sadhaka means he abides by rules and regulations and gradually becomes purified. So one day become eligible to taste the pleasure of Krishna consciousness. That is the sadhaka. That is our stage. And in the sadhaka stage, we find a lot of difficulties. Because he has to be patient. His spiritual happiness has not awakened. And material desires are very strong. But having good counsel, good association, He has understood that my goal of life is spiritual pleasure. He got an idea. He got scent of it. He wants to now dedicate his life to make it success like Dhruva Maharaj. Enter, go back to the spiritual world. But when he is practicing Krishna consciousness, he has to be patient. Now the nectar of Krishna consciousness will not open immediately. The person has to have what is known as do sadhana. This is our stage at which we need to do some sadhana. And if the sadhana is done patiently, definitely Krishna, even at the neophyte stages, reciprocates. And he gives some purification, some happiness. And then a person gets busy with that idea. And gradually, as his material desires subside, then his enthusiasm to serve Krishna keeps increasing, and then he becomes full fire like a pure devotee, intensely desiring to serve Srila Prabhupada. Just imagine Srila Prabhupada, intensely, not 1 second Srila Prabhupada used to waste. Not 1 second. Practically, when in sleep, he is planning how to preach Krishna consciousness. Hardly he was sleeping, but all the time he was planning, how do I do it? You cannot find in Srila Prabhupada's life even a trace of material desire. Totally dedicated out of compassion to give Krishna consciousness to the whole world. So, we are not pure devotees like Srila Prabhupada or the Goswamis, they are enjoying. We are also not animals, karmi animals who are mad for material enjoyment, but we are doing sadhana. So at this sadhana stage, there is going to be a challenge because I have not really awakened my taste of Krishna consciousness. So therefore, the Shastra gives this thing, Ussa Nishya Dhairya. Prabhupada gives some examples of it. He said, just like a woman, say, have a child now. No, it takes 9 months. It takes time, but be patient. Similarly, tree, you plant so many trees, now you're going to plant that. We have made a master plan, you're going to plant trees all around the campus. They take time. Some trees grow very quickly, within 1 year they get a good height. Some trees not so quick, they take many years, many years. So it takes time. So dhairya, we have to be patient. So in spiritual life, we need something which is known as patience. Because sadhana bhakti, before it turns into ruchi, nectar of Krishna consciousness, that requires patience. And at this stage, many people go away because people generally come. They look to spiritual life for some kind of a magic. The real magic is going to happen within the heart as we practice the principles of Krishna consciousness, which is headed by chanting the holy name. If you can do that, yes, then the real magic starts. And person feels so benefited. He feels so benefited. Na ayam de bhajam niloki kashtan, na ayam de, not in this body, which you got in the human form body. Kashtan kaman, don't work hard in the body for sense enjoyment. With bhujami, it is available, such bodies and such pleasures are available for even pigs. So what I should do? Tapo, we should do some tapasya. Divyam, a guided tapasya. Tapo divyam putrakaya na sattvam shuddhaye. And by patiently, shanai, gradually, material desires will subside. And Brahma Saukyam Tadantam, unlimited spiritual happiness and awaken within the heart. And for that, we need Shuddha Bhakti. Just like there are many people who are born in a family of Brahmanas. They say, I'm born in a family and I do some service and I do some sanskaras at home. But that's not Shuddha Bhakti. We many times see them and they're not feeling ashamed also. They call themselves Brahmanas and maintain strong material desires of prosperity, honor in society, very egoistic. They're not feeling even ashamed of it, but they are so far away from Shuddha Bhakti. So we are looking for Shuddha Bhakti. And only when you look for Shuddha Bhakti, you have to take shelter of Srila Prabhupada. Many times we go, we preach to such people, the so-called Brahmanas. South India we call them Bhattarus. So we go to preach to them. It's so difficult to preach to them. They say, no, I already know. He is not desiring Shuddha Bhakti. We're desiring Shuddha Bhakti at this time. The Acharya of the Golden Age, Srila Prabhupada, they have to take his shelter. They're not desiring Shuddha Bhakti. Therefore, when we see a day goes, we don't read Prabhupada books. A day goes, we don't offer prayers to the Lord. A day goes where we didn't chant our rounds attentively. That means we are not desiring Shuddha Bhakti. We are just happy. Somehow material life is going on, little pious material life, with little tinge of Krishna consciousness. If this goes on, and you do not do sinful activities and some level of Krishna consciousness, you're not going to go to the spiritual world. You'll end up in the Devaloka. To enter the spiritual world, there should not be even a trace of material desire. Not even a trace. And for that, you have to associate with purity. And who is the greatest hero we have is Srila Prabhupada. And how do you associate with him? His books. Why you will not associate? Because you are not desiring Shuddha Bhakti. So that is the sadhaka stage, that's the problem. You become complacent. We hear some glorification, you chant once the holy name of the Lord, you are purified. You cannot commit the sins that you can do. But we are not in the way. But the way we are, looks like we never chanted purely even once. So we don't struggle to offer pure devotion service because we do not want Shuddha Bhakti. Now look at it, Dhruva Maharaj is made to lament here. He's feeling ashamed of having one material desire. What is our condition? We are having trillions of material desires and no shame after that. No shame. We call ourselves devotees and maintaining so many material strong desires and not even feeling ashamed. Dhruva Maharaj, his head was down. I went to the Lord and wanted some material achievement. People can say, ho, you have achieved that, you are there. He's feeling ashamed of the whole. I went to the Lord for the whole. He was blessed by the Lord. Even Dhruvaloka, you rule for 36,000 years, then you go and rule in Dhruvaloka, which is not different from the spiritual world. His head was down. His father came to know that my son is coming back to the kingdom. He took a huge celebration. He took elephant, this, celebrated drums, celebrating his child coming back home. But he was not affected by that. Little attention we get. Don't become like that. Little two people give attention. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we think we achieved the spiritual world. And that's how we are. Because we're so strongly desiring name, fame, position, sense gratification in this world. Little we get, become na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim. These are all for pure devotee, not for us. We're not desiring all this stuff. So Dhruva Maharaj was worshipped by his father, by thousands of citizens. They're celebrating. But Bhagavatam says his head was down in shame. Shame on me. I desire something material. Prabhupada says in a very nice one, purport, if a devotee sees, introspects, and he sees the material desire because of which he did activity, he feels ashamed of himself. And here we get a practical example through Maharaj. Look at him. He could have been in like we are, I saw the Lord, I did it. What tapasya I did. You cannot think about that also. Once in 3 days I was eating food, then once in 7 days I was drinking water, then once in 15 days I was breathing. And whole universe breathing has stopped. And we would have been thinking like that. What are you? And if Lord personally came, and he touched his console on my head. And he offered prayers. What prayers I offered? You don't know. That is what I think we would have done. We will not be ashamed of the material desires which are maintained. No, that's okay. Somebody was telling, that's Varnashma. Prabhupada did say we have to, movement will grow, we'll have Varnashma. This is Varnashma, I have material desire. Varnashma. We have attachments. We have to be realistic. Yeah, be realistic. Realistically stay in the material world only, idiot. childish desires. So we should be able to actually, just like Srila Prabhupada said, look at him. They asked Srila Prabhupada in America, they had just landed on moon, like in India. I know that day they sent a spaceship and small like a toy and landed on the moon. And that day I know, I was in Bangalore, at some work I had gone to Vedanta. Not one person was available there. All the villagers had gone there, sitting with that sign. Some achievement. First thing, it's not an achievement. And all fools are sitting. They want to, see, we did it, we did it, we did it. Whatever it is. But Prabhupada, so they asked Srila Prabhupada, what do you talk about? America going to moon, and they claim was much more. Not us, they were telling some human beings were saying. So Prabhupada said, you want me to flatter you or you want me to tell the truth? So he was shocked. How will he tell the truth? So Prabhupada said, simply waste of time and money. Swamiji, waste of time. No, we are curious. Prabhupada said, childish curiosity. Curious like a child. That's called childish. Therefore, the desire of Dhruva Maharaj, I have a kingdom greater than my grandfather, these are all childish desires. Even a desire of that level. And what to see about our desires? At least it doesn't desire something sinful. It doesn't desire something like that, but we desire always, continuously in a day, 1 million sinful desires of sense enjoyment to make it possible. Society will not allow. Can I do this? Heart is full, loaded with material desires. Side by side, japa is going on. Little we read Prabhupada books also, little. But there is no taste, not even an idea about the bliss of Krishna consciousness. Not even an idea about the ocean of pleasure of Krishna consciousness. So we do not know what we are sacrificing. We are disinheriting ourselves from bodhayasas paraspara. Katensas chamam nityam. And we jump into sense enjoyment and justify it also. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada said, it will be a great disaster when my disciples become sahajiyas, because they will justify everything based on some nonsense philosophy. It's very clear here, the smallest material desire in the heart of Guru Maharaj is feeling ashamed about it, and we, which are not serious, we are going to justify every material desire in our heart with philosophy. We are going to justify it. How can you justify foolishness? Admit it, yes. I have to grow. Yes, Prabhuji. That's why, sometimes when you meet a senior devotee who, is free from such desires, you should take advice. When you see Srila Prabhupada, he's also devotee, you're also devotee. What is the difference? He's free from touch of even Maya. Pray to him. That's called Shuddha Bhakta. Even Devatas bow down when they see a Shuddha Bhakta. Wow. When Narad Muni enters, even Devatas bow down. They know they're also devotees. Indra doesn't say, hey, I also saw the Lord. Indra sees the Lord many times. Devata get darshan sometimes. But that is not what they are. They're maintaining this silly material desires. And when they see pure devotee, they bow down to his lotus. It is said, very interestingly, when somebody practices Shuddha Bhakti, satisfies pure devotee, the Guru Parampara is satisfied, and is by sincere effort, and is going back to Godhead, even Devatas throw flowers. It's a celebration in the whole universe as somebody is going back to Godhead. Just like somebody passes, gold medal in some exam, isn't that it's a celebration in that whole locality? Such horrible, this that parents will be shown putting laddu in that mouth. Why you do like that? Take one piece, he can put for himself. So they will have a photo, put laddu in his mouth, and they'll be taking photograph, all newspapers, Celebration goes on. There is a celebration. The real celebration is when you actually go back to the spiritual world. But there, just imagine, even a platform of Dhruva Maharaj is being rejected. He saw the Lord, rejected. Even that is being rejected. We want only Shuddha Bhakti. To go to the Lord in mental desire is being rejected in the Bhagavad. Such advanced literature. All of the religions, it's all go to the place of worship, give me that, give me that. Here, somebody asks the Lord, give me that, and he's feeling ashamed. Can you just imagine? The postgraduate religion for the whole world, which is not in anything less than Shuddha Bhakti, which wants to award Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate, which wants to award Shuddha Bhakti, Krishna Prema, nothing less than that. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namane Gaur Krishna Nama. Such exalted, great movement, Srila Prabhupada. And we are like weak, hollow, maintaining the material desire, at the same time chanting Hare Krishna. Yeah, okay, let it go on. Okay, so we have now three kind of people. One, a pure devotee, like Srila Prabhupada, Goswamis, we took example Narada, drinking the pleasure of Shuddha Bhakti. We have the Karmis, totally lost in the world of sense desire. Shoche tato vimukha cheta indriyartha maya sukaya bharam udvotam vibudha. Running after maya sukha and taking so much anxiety. Prahlad Maharaj said, the limit for such fools. So that is one. And what is our condition? We are not pure devotee, neither we are animals, karmis. There is something in between. But are we sincerely endeavoring to achieve the platform of Shuddha Bhakti? Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Param paramajigimishor bhavasagaras niskanchanas bhajvan mukon mukasya. Hey, you have taken a decision to go back across the ocean of birth and death. But what you are doing? You are staring at the beautiful features of the opposite sex and looking at the great opulence of somebody, Aishwarya, Bhoga and Aishwarya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Ha hanta hanta vishbhakshana. Hey asadhu! Not sadhu, he says. Hey asadhu! Better drink poison. Oh my God. But this is pure. Hey, Chota Haridas Thakur, no, he didn't even touch her. He just closely associated with the woman just to get some rice. And look at the punishment. He had to give up his life. How serious was that offense? Just imagine. And we think Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is okay, that is for Chota Haridas Thakur. For me, he is very, very merciful. Mahavadanyaya, very merciful. Chota thoda chalega, thoda chalega. Therefore, spiritual life is abstinence, not moderation. Abstinence means no. So do not be a weak-minded person and justify your weaknesses. No means no. We follow the path of abstinence. Vairagya Vidya. Vairagya Vidya means the process of abstinence. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving us process of abstinence, not moderation. There is pravritti, nivritti. We are following nivritti marga. Vairagya Vidya, Nijabhakti Yoga. Only when you follow the path of no. There is path of no and path of yes. We are following path of no. No means no. And then, when you have made strong determination like that, mind will slip. And then there are tears of repentance, tears of prayers. My Lord, bestow me pure bhakti, my Lord. Vairagya Vidya Nija Bhakti Yoga Sikshartham Eka Purusha Puranaha Shikasha Chaitanya Sharir Dhari Kipamudi Vastam. My Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am so grateful to you. You are giving me the path of Shuddha Bhakti, of Vairagya from this, all the childish enjoyment of the world, which I constantly keep desiring. Make my mind strong, my Lord. Okay. So now there are three kind of people. I took some analysis. And I have wonderful devotees here, they can add something. Still recovering today. I hope I'm still not gone. Some cold infection which had compressed me for 1 month now. Hare Krishna. Aishwarya Mataji would like to add something.
Hi, Krishna Prabhu. Pranam. Yeah, so Dhruv Maharaj actually went for material desires to Krishna, but later on he says, I got a diamond, but I saw for a broken glass. So sometimes we also start a bhakti like that for material things, but as we associate more with Prabhupada, we get purified. Because Prabhupada says we can't reach that Anyabhilasha Shunyam, but at least we can purify our desire. Like only a stone can be desireless, but whatever desire we have, we can devote in Krishna's service. Because otherwise, we get lost in bhakti. We go behind material things, and Maya can trick us. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, thank you. Before I continue, one announcement now: the registration for the inauguration has started. So the way it is planned, just to give you an idea, because it will take some more time for you to locate. The registration I kept fees of 3,000. It includes everything. Okay. You have this good standard accommodation. We're trying to give you everybody air-conditioned accommodation and travel, prasadam, every arrangement is included within that. It's a discount, obviously. And the people who are coming for even more than 3 days before for service, not your own picnic, or service, those who register for a service, and they don't have to pay anything more. This will be enough for that. And my request will be that please pick up, first thing you can all register and buy your tickets on. Do the whole thing together in a group, whatever group you are in. True, there will be some maybe 20-25% people who are not in any groups. That is our mismanagement. It's a group piece, it's nice, easy to practice. You will be part of some groups, part of studies, whatever you're doing or you're not doing. So what I wanted was that at least the services I would like to more give as part of the group, and those who are not part of groups, then you have to personally write, be in touch with us. So as you register, the people who register, my target is 2,000 families should register to come for the event across 11 languages. I think that is number. We have around 7,000 people attending our classes, so they should all be coming. So that 2,000 families I expect. So start registering immediately. Somebody asked me yesterday, what if I register just a few days before? I said, yes, but your accommodation I may have to give 1 hour away from the temple in Udupi, some area, or maybe even not that possible. You can understand, even ISKCON devotees 500 are coming, plus sannyasis, plus temple presidents, plus, so if you delay, your accommodation will be further and further, more far away. Okay? And you can also help us if you can locate there, even homestays are available also. Okay? We can left, right, center. Some people are a bit free, they can come down. Those who want to do service right now, they can come down and start, because we have very few devotees here, and our energy will be focused in getting the temple ready. But we will require the help of our volunteers to make the event successful. That you have to do. Okay? So our whole absorption is in the temple details now. Okay? So we require many people. Those people are a bit free can come down and travel and see all the accommodations available in Mangalore, in Udupi or nearby, all the things, and you see the rates and everything, and lot of homestays, lot of apartments, lot of things, which will be available. So this has been shared, already it has been shared. If not, she didn't get the link, you can write to me. They made some, you can contact Devika Madhavi, she's taken charge of that. So the registration should begin, and I wish anything to the order of 2,000 families, that means 6,000 people registering. And those who are coming for service, you should be landing here by 15th. 15th is the holiday, come down 14th night, you can travel. 15th, you can land up here as better, so you get 3 more days to make things ready. And also, at that time, don't bring, take care that even if you bring, because there may be no way they will come alone, but take care that your time will go if you bring dependents with you, so that it can be taken care. With your small children and a wife, okay, wife take care of the children and your parents, since you are free. Okay, so to be conscious of that. Not that I register for a service and come with a small child and all the time we see you. I'm not against small children, but then you will be busy with them. Okay, so take care that you organize yourself in such a way that you are free for service during those days. Okay? Plan in such a way that you've taken a commitment. It should be a real commitment. Sometime you may have for your service 18-hour work, continuously running here, there, busy. So see that you have organized in such a way that you can take a commitment and you are free for that. Okay, and I will be going through first the registration that it happened, and I want registration to happen by groups. And after some groups register, the group leader can talk to me, and I'll sit with the group leader and the team, and we will start allotting the services. And we have minimum 500 services, more the merrier, because we can have 2 shifts also. Okay. Hare Krishna, thank you. So, okay, now coming back to this. Yes, Supriti Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. This material world, Prabhuji, it should contain desire. Without desire, there is no life. There is no purpose. So what we desire is a question mark. So the moment we realize that the pain, whatever we went through, we should not get back, then the best way is to desire something that is eternal, that is everlasting. So in that way, we can change our focus and be focused on our spiritual growth. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Anybody else, you can raise your hand. Hare Krishna, Pushpa Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. See, supposing we become serious also, there's always a trick of Maya. Supposing we sit for chanting or read Prabhupada's book, something comes up, we have to get up and go, thereby changing our moods also. So it becomes Maya is very strong, so we have to be very careful. We have to think and see that we can postpone the things which is material. But of course, if it has to be done immediately, then we can't help it, Prabhuji.
Yes, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Manushi, Hare Krishna.
Pranam Prabhu. My question was that the registration forms were sent to us on the Bhakti Shastri group, and I filled it out to arrive on 19th. But because you have put an age limit and a stage limit on people who can do service, so I can't count myself in for that. I would like to.
Coming on 19th, no. So what service you will do? You are coming for the
No,
evening.
I wanted to come early, but because of the age limit put, what is the point of my going? Because I would like to go and cook for the Lord or cook for the devotees, but maybe I won't be able to contribute the amount that a young person can. So that is why I have prevented
the
myself.
point is that is just a guideline. That is just a guideline. Okay? Suppose some sisters, just like my mother, she cannot do anything now. She herself says, correct? It should be a guide. It's the guideline. Some people are fit and strong at even 70. Some people, correct?
Prabhuji, I am fit and strong. I do everything for my family, so I can come a bit early.
Yeah, please. Okay? You got it?
Guideline.
You got it? Yeah, you understand. The spirit should be understood. These are just details. Yeah. And we have 2 kitchens. One direct to the Lord's kitchen
Prabhuji, I am a Bengali and I know that the kind of things that our Acharya would like. So I would like to cook for all of
Okay.
you. Yes, Prabhuji. Nam Prabhuji. Dhanyavad. Hare Krishna.
Okay, that is, take that as a guideline. We are
Yes,
not
Prabhuji.
fixed about that. There may be somebody, even a small child, also very serious.
Yes, sir.
And there may be a very elderly person, fully energetic. See, I was down for 1 month. I'm just 50-year-old, or not, but the health can collapse. So that's the
No,
guideline.
Prabhuji, it won't.
Okay, anybody else? Any question about the opening? Why did I? You must be questioning. Why did I do 4 months before? One thing is that I have to learn a lot about management. I really don't manage well. And second thing, so therefore management means planning should go on. It's a very big event. Number two, that the train tickets are closing, not opening, closing now. It's already open. It will not be available. And if you want the mass to come, it has to be train. Mass will not come by flight. Correct? Not everybody can afford flights. So the mass to come, therefore train tickets, let them start booking like that. Yes, Anuradha, Satish, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Train tickets also you're doing mass booking, is it?
I'm not doing. Please, I'm not doing. You do. You do with your group. Which group you are in?
I'm not in any group, Prabhuji. How to enroll for the group?
I do not know. Why don't somebody take up initiative here? All the people attending Bhagavatam class in the morning English can be one group. Who will take the initiative? Any one person here? Can raise hand. Anybody is coming forward? Sureshwar Prabhuji, yeah, that's better. Sureshwar Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah.
I'll coordinate Prabhuji.
Yeah, so now it depends where. Anuradha Satish, you are from which city?
Bangalore, Prabhuji.
Yeah, the Bangalore already you can contact Devika Mataji, Shankar Prabhu. See, ticket booking is by region wise, based on there. So a lot of people are there. You have my number, you write to me and put them at groups. So already Bangalore group around 100 people are there. They have already booked one set of tickets, they are booked already. So you can locate Devika Mataji or locate Shankar Prabhu or write to me. Okay?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you.
And I'll
Hare
share.
Krishna.
Okay. So ticket booking is not to be done by here, but that it should be by your area wise. Ahmedabad, you're coming all the Ahmedabad devotees together. Delhi, you're coming Delhi devotees together. That's going on. But as far as the services, I thought really better as a group. We know each other, so it will be nice. And we need, therefore, I need people in every group who in personal touch with everybody. Yes, Santosh, Papana, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, I am part of Bhakti Shastri group, but I am not part of any regional group, Prabhuji. Do we
Which
have
area
any?
you are from?
Hyderabad.
So Hyderabad, start. You please write to me. We will start a group for Hyderabad. Then all the Hyderabad people can be inside. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yes.
Okay, we'll do that.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
so I'm part of Bhakti Shastri with Aishwarya Mataji, the Saturday batch. But we are the rest of the Guru, the followers are from South India or Mumbai, not
You are
from
from
Delhi.
Kolkata.
I'm from Kolkata and Delhi, Prabhuji.
Okay, we'll
So,
make a group for Kolkata also quickly. Okay.
yes, Prabhuji.
We'll do
Thank
that.
you very much. Hare Krishna.
Sunita Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Actually, we want to come for the service, Prabhuji, myself and my husband, on 14th itself. But my husband is in Malyalam group and I am in English group, Prabhuji. Should we fill the form separately, Prabhuji?
No. First you book your tickets.
Okay.
Train tickets. Book your train or flight tickets. First you do that. Okay?
Okay, Prabhuji.
And then you can register. And then that doesn't matter, whichever you feel comfortable. Either both of you want to take services. Just for logistics sake, I thought it is easier to allot services to groups. Isn't it? 100 groups we have. Easy to allot. Okay. Each group sell books. This group sell prasadam. This group take care of queue management. This, it's easy for us. That's why I was thinking in that way. Individually, it is too much micromanagement, you'll go crazy. Just hand over to 100 leaders the services. Neeraja Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, in case we are coming on our own, like what will be the charges?
Own, you are coming on your own only. I am not bringing you.
No, not like that, Prabhuji. If we are not coming by train, like our own arrangement of coming.
Yeah, so I am not, this 3,000 doesn't include that.
Okay, okay. No, because you were telling that we have to bid the tickets, no? So that's why take
No,
train
tickets I
tickets.
am not booking. Kappa, I'll go
Huh.
crazy. Tickets, you people only book. I said you book all book together.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Prabhu. Thank you.
I'm going to book ticket first. Then, don't make me. You are coming to do service or you are coming to give service? All badmash, huh? And the cancellation, Prabhuji, my mother is not able to come. No, can you cancel that ticket, Prabhuji? No, my one friend wants to come. Can you add his ticket? I will bring that. Okay. It's true. At that level, management is good. We can do at that level also. We are not so well organized. I like to meet all the group leaders and see that how they are proceeding. But I'll better meet the group leaders after the groups register. Otherwise, what is the point? I simply need them. Let them register first. Again, I got a call, 6 of our people are ready, like that. Let them first have all they should be in every group. Please do not combine. I should not hear all Hindi people together said, please do not do that. Meeting should be with every group. Otherwise, creativity will go away. Every group. No super admins. I want what called Bhakti Vriksha leader, who is in personal touch with the people. They should do the job. Okay? We expect there are more than 100 of them, like in every group, so they should do the job, who are in personal touch with everybody. Just like I am here, I am not in personal touch with people attending Bhagavatam class. Can anybody do this service of me, mine? Daily take attendance, keep in personal touch with everybody. Prabhuji, Mataji, would you like to come? You are from which place? 3 volunteers are needed, roughly. Around 30-40 people, each person can in personal touch. Keep in touch. Hare Krishna. You didn't come, so keep attendance, number 1, and number 2, keep in personal touch. Okay? And this yatra like this, you can be able to facilitate them. Okay? So we need those people, teachers good, they are doing encouragement, but now these are all logistics. Teacher will not be able to participate. A teacher will go into 20 groups, he is there, just put a WhatsApp message and the result will be 1% of what it could have been. It would have been in personal touch. You can't be personal touch one day. It has to gradually build up. So still 4 months are there, I request you, keep in personal touch with everybody. Those who are your group leaders, keep calling them, encourage them, okay? And then you will see the result, phenomenal result. So we'll see 2,000 families there. And how beautiful it will be. Oh, the world's largest Gita Course. Yeah, oh my God. And then something more. Many of you have given a donation more than 1 lakh. Their Homa has to be done for you. Pratishtha Homa. Number 2, there will be grand initiation ceremony also for people who are pending for initiation. Okay? Like what happened in Vrindavan. And Guru Maharaj has promised to come, unless his health during that time is difficult, like at present, he is also coming. And we have built a beautiful place for him, special place. Okay, so these things will be added incentives to coming. We will also have for you a tour, we'll take you to Udupi and all these things, okay? But at the same time, what I want, those who are Bhagavatam attending daily and all these people, they expect to come a little early and take up the service. If you cannot come for the event, at least if the group leader has come before, still you will be able to do service because he has arranged everything. Suppose he has taken book table, okay? So he is ready with it. He has organized the books, he has priced the books, he has packed the books, he has ordered the books, everything is ready on time. He's there, put up the tables, he has the price list with him. He has cash box with him. He has arranged everything. He knows the different languages to identify. Everything is that. And even if you join him on the 17, 18, that's fine because he's ready. So in the groups, therefore, assigning service will be convenient because you know each other. And some people will come early and other people, even they join later, it will be not so bad. They come early, that's the best. Okay, what do you say? Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dhanva pranam.
Prabhuji, thank you. Then
Sagar Pranam Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
thank you so much,
Danda
Prabhuji.
Pranam Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dhanavad Pranam.
Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Dhanavad pranam.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji. Prabhuji, I just wanted to know the Srimad Bhagavatam books, have they got dispatched or how long will it take to get?
Take time. We had a marathon of membership.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. We'll do it soon. Take care.
Yes, thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.